Chapter 2, Part 2 Vocabulary. First, kaban, handbag. Kono kaban wa ikura desu ka? What is the cost of this bag? Terebi, television. Maiban terebi o mimasu. I watch TV every evening. Radio, radio. Radio o kikimasu. I listen to radio. Computer, computer. Computer o tsukaimasu. Kuruma, automobile car. Rainen kuruma o kaitai desu. I want to buy a car next year. Tsukue, desk. Tsukue o katazukeru. Tidy up the desk. Isu, chair. Isu no ue ni neko ga imasu. There is a cat on the chair. Chocoreto, chocolate. Watashi wa chocoreto o tsukurimasu. I make chocolate. Kohi, coffee. Mai asa kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee every morning. Camera, camera. Mise de camera o kaimasu. I bought a camera from the store. Now moving on to grammar. Grammar point 4, ka and ka. This is a question asking the listener to choose between two or more alternatives for the answer. Example, kore wa kyu desu ka? Shichi desu ka? Is this a 9 or a 7? Kyu desu. Grammar point 5, noun 1, no, noun 2. No is used to connect two nouns, noun 1 and noun 2. First usage, noun 1 explains what noun 2 is about. Kore wa computer no hon desu. This book is on computers. Second usage, noun 1 indicates who owns noun 2. Kore wa watashi no hon desu. This is my book. Grammar point 6, substituting no for a noun. No can be used instead of a noun that has already been mentioned in the sentence before. No is used as a replacement for things but not for people. Example, are wa dare no kaban desu ka? Whose bag is that? Sato-san no desu. It's Mr. Sato's.